Welcome to Sema. Let me know which one of these cool trucks you like the most. There's a lot to see and do, so let's dive in and let me know. So what you're hearing is a burn pit. Trucks of all kinds. I guess if you like the old spinny thing. This would be a fun build out. A lot of B-roll in there. Oh, like the plate. And then we'll find more trucks as we go. And we're not going to focus too much on these big old bulldozers, but there's always tons of these things here. Always. Seems like that's criteria. You got to have your lineup of bulldozers. Oh, here's a nice one. Little old F100 dent side. That's a nice pickup. A nice job on the interior too. Well, I do kind of like this Monte Carlo. Kind of reimagined El Camino. A nice job on this. And there's a good looking old Chevy truck. A white pearl on it. They're in a Tremec booth. Be hard to not show trucks and not show this big old beast. It's a nice old F600. There we go, somewhere, I don't know what, an old 32, yep, 32 Ford pickup. Kind of like that all in gray. A lot of work went in that. All right, we gotta check out this cab over here. This is a setup and a half here. Project on the back, but man, that's a nice cab over. Nice old power wagon. And this old Ford truck here that's got the Mustang taillights in it. A lot of nice trucks here. Old Dodge Power Wagon. Diesel in it. 62 or 3, I'm guessing. passing up 65. Little tow truck mock-up here. Nice little forward cab. Thank you. So for trucks goes, if you're wanting to take even your stock Ford out camping, that's quite the tent setup there. Why do I hear the theme song of the Jeffersons when I see that? If you know, you know. Oh boy. All right, let's check out this old Chevy here. Now there's a nice build. Nice air ride setup on it. Nice Whipple setup on that. And that's definitely what I call a nice truck. But in order to see these, you got to see those. Get a little bit of everything here. A nice Chevy here. A lot of work. Kept a little of the patina, not much, on the stripe. Kind of put it back in. Did a lot of work on this one too. It's one of those what you don't see. So Power Wagon's got all the glitter on it. I don't know how well that shows through, but it's more of that carbon fiber that's colored. Good Lord, what size tires are those? 42s. I said it's got all the glitter. Cool looking truck though. Definitely a lot of work and money went into that dude. Definitely shiny. This old 3100, it's kind of got like a flop to it on the paint. You can kind of see it on a rainbow coming through that, almost like green apple color. And someone did a nice job in interior too. Nice to see they kept the wings on. A lot of times people are getting rid of those nowadays. And that's next to this old slammed, I shouldn't say old, newer slammed down Chevy. And we got this old Willis wagon here sitting on what's probably a JK frame. Got a bow tie emblem on it, so maybe S10 or something like that. See what they did for interior. Yeah, they got some work done in there. See where they had to tub it. Kind of nice. They didn't really alter the body too much other than stick it on a modern frame. And over here at the Weston booth, you want to outrig your truck. Bumpers, boxes, steps, a little bit of everything. And check out this bumper. You ain't hurting in front of that truck with that dude. And then all the steps, little Nerf bars there. Power running boards. Here we go. Nice swing out setup. Colorado is slammed.
Still running. Oh, they don't have a drive shaft. He's going to need to get pushed out, brother. Why don't you turn that thing off? Then we'll push you out.
Old rest of my truck. Sitting on a total custom frame. Like they kept out the old crank out window. Now, if you just want a clean old Ford truck, well, it did a lot of work to make this thing clean. Cleaned out the firewall. Really nice job on the interior. That's a flawless truck there. That'd be nice in anybody's garage. And if you need a frame to slam it on the ground. Is that Tri-5 Customs? Because what they've got in the booth here is spectacular. They're about a 55, 56 Cameo. Stand corrected, 57.
Hi, good to see you. How are you? I don't know if you'd be here. This is Jason and Derek. I don't know if you guys are here.
Twin turbocharged. Oh boy. That blue on this thing is flawless. So if you want, for me, probably one of the nicest looking trucks here. And before you start blowing me up in the comments about why didn't you show this car or why didn't you show that car, there's thousands of cars here, all nice, all really good paint jobs on them. Can't show them all, so I pick out the ones that I think are maybe a little above and beyond. Stuff like this. Because you can see the big flat panels, especially that flake, it's hard to get right. Let me know. Let me know what you think of this. Now everybody likes a little something different, but instead of a high lux, you have a low lux. And this thing is low. All on air ride. That thing is bench height. Pretty cool setup. It looks like they dropped it down right too. They wouldn't just bow in the wheels. And if you need a car hauler, well, there it is. That thing is a beast. Once you get up on the back of it, of course, it hauled just by any damn thing. Okay, so that was a truck special here at Sema show. You have a little bit from the mild to the wild, a little everything in between. Sometimes it's just about the crazy builds, and well, you just never know what or who you're going to see here. So let me know what your favorite one was. And remember, if you guys have a extra turbo or anything, I don't think this guy has them all. I'll see you here in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next venture.